everyone, it's Dr. Steinweg. If you're looking to come into our office or you're already a patient of record here, you'll find out that we don't do every procedure possible in our office. We're not exactly a one-stop shop. You might already know that there's a lot of specialties in the area of dentistry. For instance, there's dentists that just do root canals. There's dentists that just do orthodontics or braces. There's also just dentists that work on gum disease. We collaborate with other practitioners to make sure that you can get the best treatment possible. So if you've been watching these videos, you see we do a wide range of procedures in our office. But there's always going to be times where we need to make a proper referral. We've been collaborating with certain specialists for years, and we have a great track record with them. Because of this, we have a network of practitioners that we trust. So if you end up having a problem and you're in our office and you have to be referred to an outside office, please know that we just want you to have the best outcome possible. And through this referral network, we can look out for your greater health needs. At Clarksville Crossing Dental, we want to make sure you can be the happiest, healthiest that you can be. If you'd like to learn more about our integrative approach to dentistry, please comment below or contact our office.